RX 93.1 presents the Concert Series. Live musical performances at the Monster Studios by today's artists. The Concert Series. Your host, Rico Robles.
Yes, at this very time, ladies and gentlemen, we did not talk about our outfits. We just totally dress up all together, all wearing black. Why? Because it's going to be rock and roll. Welcome to the Premier Live Musical Program on radio. It's the Concert Series here on The Monster. My name is Rico Robles. Ready? Clap. Come on, I only get this applause once a week on the show. No, may fan club pa. Tonight's episode features singer-songwriter Jason Fernandez. Known for his soulful, stirring voice and powerful storytelling, Jason continues to evolve both musically and personally. We're going to get to know the story from the different shows that he has joined, where he moved, and what brought him back in our country again. So we'll talk about that in just a bit. But first, here's Hey June on Front Act, the concert series here on The Monster.
Monster RX 93.1.
Welcome back to Manila! Yeah.
Fireworks!
Right? Hi there, man. Great to see you again, man.
Great to see you.
Uy,
Grabe.
kamusta?
It's been a while.
I know. You know, the journey will have to pick up a long trek of this. So, kamusta, Jason?
Mabuti naman. I didn't expect this. Wala na. Nung umalis ako, hindi ko na naisip na gagawin ko to ulit.
When did
But
you
I'm
leave?
back.
When did you leave and head on
Last
to...
year, ano ba yun? August ba yun? September, July last
you
year.
went to Canada.
Yes.
Okay, and then you seek the greener pastures of the
Ibang-
visa-free Canada.
Yes, oo.
Yeah.
Canadian dream.
So, tugtog. Ano trabaho doon?
Hindi muna. Yung first 2 months, yung unang buwan, wala akong nag-camping, nag-fishing.
Lamig.
Although summer nung pumunta
summer.
ako. So maganda-ganda.
Okay.
Tapos, hinanap ang sarili.
Ah.
Ewan ko, natagpuan ko naman siguro.
But that's part of it.
Yeah.
How old are you now? If you don't mind asking?
36.
36. But the journey of it, I mean, it started for all of us, the fans that got to know you. It's for the rock and roll singer search
Yes.
that they had. If there was Rockstar in Excess, ano yung tinawag sa show mo nun?
Bagong liwanag.
Oo, Bagong Liwanag. It was the search for, of
Wow.
course, the front man of River Maya.
Yes.
That was it.
17 lang ako nun.
17 years old.
Oo.
Ano pa na, Gerald Anderson era. Di ba? Ganun yun, Gerald Anderson era.
Oo,
no?
hindi,
Alright.
alam mo yun, nangangarap lang ako nun eh.
But you won it! Right?
Yeah, hindi ko rin in-expect yun. Actually, hindi ako talaga kasama dun sa sa Final 12. They decided to add one more.
Ikaw yun.
Ako yun.
Tadhana.
Tadhana talaga. So, I'm grateful. Masaya ako. Nagpapasalamat ako sa bumuo nun. Kasi hindi naman magsisimula ang journey ko kung hindi nangyari.
So who was the part of that band? It was Nathan?
No. Si Michael Gar,
Okay.
Jap Serio, and Marcus
Cueta. Okay, and then you were the lead singer of the
Yes.
band. And how long did you stay with the band?
5 years?
4 years. 5 years then. Okay.
Almost. Oo.
Yeah, 5 years.
2
And then
albums, yeah.
from there, when you were part of the band, I could imagine the feeling of like, yo, this is like a big band.
Nung
This is
una,
the
hindi
biggest band in the
nagsisink sa
world,
akin.
you know?
Hindi nagsisinkin sa akin noong una. Parang, siguro sa pangalawang taon yan totoo na to.
Kasi
Parang-
you were singing their songs, but did you
Yes.
just start to write your own songs?
Meron sa isang album, nag-collaborate kami ni Marcus Cueta sa songwriting.
Mhm.
At unti-unti na nila akong parang binubuksan yung pintuan pagdating doon. But
Mhm.
I do write my own songs dati, pero hindi pa hilaw.
Yeah, kasi you're 17. The emotions
Hindi pa masyado.
was going to the mall and getting your
Correct.
cell phone. I'm guessing at 17.
So ganun,
And your crush,
ganun
yeah.
lang siya. So nag-improve na lang yun along the way. Pero malaking tulong yung mga inputs na binibigay nila
From
sa
every,
akin.
kasi nga, these guys are veterans
Oo,
of it, and they're
malayo.
trying to groom you. What were the
Yes.
things that you took from there that you took to the next level? From there, saan ka napunta?
After nung...
Kasi last time, other than I saw you, well, I was sort of pissed drunk. But naka-braids ka nun eh. Hindi ko alam kung you were on your Rasta mode or what was it?
Walang direksyon ng pag-iisip ko nun eh. Basta kung ano gusto ko lang gawin ko.
Yung trip mo.
Trip ko. Parang ganun lang. Pero nung time na yun, ano bang ginagawa ko nun? Racket gigs.
I think I saw it. Was it Hard Rock Cafe where we saw each other?
Yeah.
Si Brad Pitt pa yung may ukulele nun.
Ay, oo.
Kay Bradley Holmes.
Kay Bradley.
Yeah.
Tama.
Yeah, we saw each other.
Oo, tama.
Okay, so with that being said, I mean, after 4 years,
Mhm.
you left River Maya. The whole project sort of like disappeared. Tapos na.
Yes, oo. Tapos na.
There was a time you wanted to quit? Or go on pa rin? Tugtog pa rin?
Yes, quit.
Quit.
Pero yun nga lagi akong nagfo-fall doon sa option na yun.
Mhm.
Pero hindi siya buo eh. Parang may calling eh. Talagang
Something with the music.
Hindi pa tapos.
Something with the music.
So, nung time na yun, ganun din.
Solo artist ka nun after that.
Solo artist na ako. I joined The Voice of the Philippines Season 2.
So when you joined The Voice, so curse one reality show to another, ano yung reaction ng mga judges? Kasi nakatalikod ka, blind audition
Oo.
eh. Gumanta. Ano kinanta mo nun?
Huling El Bimbo.
Oh, okay.
Actually, maraming list na binigay,
Oo.
pero sila yung pumili nung bibigay mo na listahan.
Okay.
So, yun yung pinili nila, yung Huling El Bimbo.
Sino pumindot?
Coach Apple.
Ah, una.
Actually, nung time na yun, puno na. Third day ako sinalang, may fourth day pa. Yung pangatlong araw, 12 a.m. na ako sinalang.
Oh, wow.
Tapos meron pang next day.
Na taping.
Tapos puno na sila.
Oo.
Puno na yung
Roster.
slots.
Ah.
Yung roster, puno na. So, sabi ko, tatawid ko na lang to.
Ah.
Buti na lang.
Press the
Umikot si
button.
Coach Apple.
Yeah.
Hindi na yun.
Look at that. Tadhana again.
Tadhana ulit.
It was there.
Nakapasok na naman.
Yeah.
Tapos, nagkaroon ng, kami ni Bradley, ng battle rounds. Tapos sinistil ako ni Sarah and Coach Lea Salonga. So, kailangan ko mamili. I chose Sarah Geronimo.
Kasi
Yeah.
popster. Yung may
Popster.
Ay, si mo popster strategy yan, di ba? Daming boto yan.
Pero
Yun,
ano din eh, sa roster kasi ni Coach Lea, nandun na si Nino Alejandro.
Okay.
Parang
Isa lang, may rocker
meron
na
na
eh.
akong kaano doon. Tapos kasi pinaghiwalay na nga kami ni Bradley eh. Sa team ni Coach Sarah, wala pang tulad ko. Si Kokoy Baldo lang. Sumalangit nawa.
Rest in peace, man.
Rest in peace. So, kami lang. Pero hindi pa rin kasi reggae. So, yun.
It wasn't, tugma
Hindi
in a way.
tugma.
So, how far did you go with The Voice?
Semis na eh. Top 4 sa team Sarah.
So, top 4 and then out.
Ayun na, out na.
So-
Nag-moves like Jagger na ako.
Yeah.
Out.
How did you feel about all that? I mean, losing, it's not a great feeling.
Yeah,
But you have the exposure.
Yeah, wala, parang anak na ako ng competitions eh. So I know how to handle stress, yung pressure.
Yeah.
Tapos bata pa lang kasi ako, yung parents ko lagi na ako sinasabak sa mga contest.
Oh, yes, diga.
So,
That's the way to do it, parents. Make money off your kids.
right.
And then in comes Tawag ng Tahalan.
Yun na.
Okay.
Contest na naman.
Contest na naman. Noon time.
Noon time show.
Prime time din.
Yun naman, parang
Ano?
celebrity edition.
Celebrity. Sino kalaban mo nun?
Dami.
Yung may sila Ethel Buba.
Ethel Buba.
Ah,
Kami
okay.
nag-head-to-head sa finals.
Yeah.
Doon
Okay.
umabot akong grand finals.
Wow, okay.
Actually, nalaglag ako eh. Rumesback ako eh. May resback sila eh.
Yung para bang wild card.
Wild card.
Okay.
So, natanggal ako. Tas,
Ano kinakanta mo na nun, ng mga time na yun?
Puro after image yung kinanta ko.
Mga next in line.
Next in line.
Okay.
Mangarap ka. Naghimala ako.
So, high
ako.
voices lahat siya.
Pero yung first song ko, The Scientist ng Coldplay.
Coldplay.
Yeah,
Okay.
Yun yung una. Tapos, diretso. U2.
So, the finals, then that ended.
Yes.
So, second place.
Second
You
place.
got money, of course.
Oh, yeah.
Took that money. Where'd you go? Canada? Or
Hindi
no, you
pa.
just carried on?
Racket muna.
Racket. Okay.
I know. Pandemic na.
Pandemic hit. Okay.
Pandemic.
What did you do during pandemic? Dami tanong ng DJ. no?
Kumu.
Kumu. Kontak ka nga. Make money.
Make money. Tapos,
Send your roses
naalala
and
ko,
your coins.
ano pa kami, nag-delivery, kami sa isang
Santa
company.
Maria. Yeah.
Maria, yeah.
The band. Okay.
Yun, delivery driver kami.
US with your friends. Like kayo.
Oo, kami.
Okay.
Binenta ko yung sasakyan ko kung bumili ako ng van. Kasi
Just to
kailangan
do the
van.
delivery. Yeah.
Delivery, yun.
Well, you always found a way. You always found a way to, I think music was constantly always there.
Yes, it's always there. Hindi
Yeah.
siya talaga mawawala.
Okay, so we'll talk about your journey to Canada later.
Yeah,
We'll also
fun.
talk about where you are now. So for those that are listening, we
Layo
have
na.
Jason Fernandez. We have him here. We have him live with his band Santa Maria. Pero I call it Santa Maria.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So the songs you're gonna sing today.
Yeah, ito yung mga nasulat ko sa Canada.
Okay.
Very special sa akin itong mga song na to. Parang first time ever in my life na pinapakinggan ko paulit-ulit yung sarili kong songs.
So this is the truest voice of like your nature. No, your soul is speaking.
Yes.
All right. So the title of this, Patalikod, Panaginip, Tanga at Pangako. Ano yung mga kwento about? Let's get the two first. Ano ang kwento sa patalikod?
Sa Patalikod meron
Betrayal?
Yeah, yung kasi nung pumunta ako doon parang ano yun, lost. Hindi ko para akong nangangapa sa dilim. Tapos meron akong parang pamangkin nung pinagsistayan ko, heartbroken siya. Tapos ako ang dilim ng paligid ko, nagiinom ako.
Malamig dun eh.
Umupo
Masarap,
siya.
sarap inumin dun. Canada yun eh.
Umupo siya. She started sharing her story. Umiyak-iyak siya doon. Tapos ako, vulnerable ako nung time na yun. Habang nag-uusap kami, sabi ko, wait a minute, punta lang ako sa room. May gagawin ako. Sinulat ko kaagad. Dire-diretso. Tapos sabi ko, hindi ka pa bumabalik. Nagsusulat na. Kasi ayokong mawala yung
moment.
Yung moment. Yung
Kala niya
pakiramdam.
pinapalitan mo yung bed sheets.
Kasi
Inayos sa kwarto.
Yun, tapos yung, syempre, yung pinakamahalaga sa akin ngayon, yung Anghel. I wrote that song for my daughter.
We'll talk about that
Yeah, we'll talk
later.
about
Okay,
that.
so once again, if you have any questions for Jason and the band, send them in where you're watching this. We are live here on the concert series. Here we go. We got Jason Fernandez. Once again, make some noise.
Hey Monsters! It's Kayla Rivera. To catch exclusive versions of songs played on this episode, visit the Monster YouTube channel at RX931. That's youtube.com/RX931 and listen live on air on FM radio Mondays 7 p.m. on Monster, RX 93.1. Now back to the concert series interviews from the Monster.
Thank you.
So, pinaiyak tayo, tapos pinasayaw, pinatalon-talon-talon.
Ang gulo ng emotions ko eh.
No,
No?
but that's what music, that's what rock and roll is all about.
Yeah, correct.
You know what I mean?
Right.
And I think you're the new generation of all of this. You know, the greats have gone.
You think?
The greats have gone last year, di ba? From
Oo.
Rockstar 2 to Freddy Aguilar, di ba?
Yeah.
The greats. So, it's training of the...
Correct. Oh, kasi ang daming yung mga natutuwa din naman ako sa OPM lalo ngayon no, yung bagong generations ng mga musicians. Iba rin eh.
Yes.
Hindi ko maano, iba yung timpla, iba yung sahog, kumbaga.
Tsaka ano na eh, kumbaga they really built their, you know what I mean, walang katunog. Alam mo yung ganun na yun? They got the confidence, man.
Correct.
The equipment's everywhere. You know,
Oo,
dati, you have to go
technology.
through...
Yes.
Kaya kailangan mo pumunta sa pier para makabili ng matinong gitara, di ba? Ngayon, everything is here.
Mga galing Japan, no?
Yeah, everything is now here, man.
Pero malaking tulong yung technology, especially nung nandun ako
Oo.
sa Canada. Kasi, syempre, nagta-travel ako, so kailangan may computer, tapos ini-email ko. Email lang yung mga tracks. So nabuo kahit hindi magkakasama.
So these guys, I mean, you know, introduce yourselves one by one. I'll give you guys an opportunity. What are your names? Go ahead.
BJ.
Kel.
Jehu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
no?
So they're all here. They're part of the band Santa Maria or Santa Maria.
Yeah.
Okay, so they're officially your band.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys all travel together.
After nung journey ko with River Maya, sila na yung banda ko.
Ever
so
since.
We've been together for 14 years.
Wow, so you've gone through the
Yeah,
highs and the lows and everything. Huh?
Natiis nila ako.
So, yan na naman si Jason. In love na naman. Ganun
Oo.
na, diba?
Alam mo,
So,
napakahirap umanap ng kabanda na
na mapapagkatiwalaan. no?
maunawain at saka naintindihan yung oo.
Na, pati yung management mo.
Yes, oo. Naku, yan, Maya days pa yan.
Yeah.
As in.
Magkapatid. Okay. So, in comes you going to Canada. You did your job there.
Mhm.
Umuwi ka. So, who
Yes.
told you, you know, how was the journey abroad as a rock singer here in the Philippines?
Pagdating ko doon, iba yung ano ko eh. Iba yung pakay ko. So, work talaga. Kasi I'm planning to, migrate and bring the kids, ganun. Alam mo yun, the usual,
The Filipino dream,
Filipino dream,
of bringing
diba?
your family abroad.
yes. Kasi okay din yun, parang ibang mundo na.
Where
Ano?
to sing? Wala
Oo.
namang kantahan
Pero
dun,
alam ko naman na mahabang process, pero babalik ako.
Oo.
Pero yung plano ko, it will take, siyempre, a long
May
time.
Noy Pits ba doon? May
Oo.
Jerry's Grill ba doon? Saka kumakanta doon? Anong Filipino bar?
Hindi, ang nangyari, pagdating ko doon, siguro in a month, yun nga, parang nag-decide ako, kinausap ko yung promoter ko, kailangan ko ilabas, I need gigs, sabi mo, pwede
Yeah.
ba tayong mag-book? Promoter ko, why not?
Where were you
Sabihin
in
mo lang,
Canada?
Fort McMurray.
Wow, right.
As
I
in,
don't know where it's
sobrang
at,
liblib.
but yeah. I'm like, wow.
Somewhere in Alberta.
Okay, Alberta.
Pero liblib talaga.
Yeah, yeah.
As in, very na siya. Kung saan yung mga langis.
Yeah. So where did you play there?
Hindi ako doon. Nung kinonta ko na yung promoter ko, nag-decide ako na, ayun nga, sabi ko, mag-show ako. So nung nag-announce na ako na nandun ako, kasi wala naman nakakaalam, posters, producers, iba-ibang province, yun na. Nanganak. Tapos nag-show ako sa mga festivals doon.
Pinoy Festival.
Pinoy Festivals, Festa Filipino, Taste
Hey,
of
we
Manila.
hope everybody is, I remember the crash was there, the car crash. Was that in,
Yeah, Lapu-Lapu Festival
Lapu-Lapu
yun.
Festival.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So it was a bit tragic for some of our Filipino
Yes.
countrymen.
So, parang gano'n na festival. Tapos, yun na, tuloy-tuloy. Tapos, yung mga producers ko, lahat, sila yung nag-ano sa akin. Pati yung employer ko doon, sila na yung nagsabi na, Jason, you need to, pinarinig ko yung mga songs, you need to go back. At least give yourself.
Pinalayas kanila.
Pinalayas nila.
Bakit kanila pinalayas?
Yan.
Ganun ka kagaling.
Ito parang,
Na parang come back home. You need to, hindi po mo time na mag-cover. Umuwi ka.
Yeah.
Make an album.
yes. Kasi nagsumuporta sila eh. Meron pa akong mga live recordings doon, yung mga to put up an album. Siyempre may gastos yun.
Yes.
Nag-sponsor sila. Nandun talaga yung support. Talagang, tapos alam ko din sa sarili ko, sabay na din yung, parang gusto ko talaga yung mga kanta ko.
Yeah.
This time. Parang
It's
gano'n.
nice. I was the
So,
same
sabi
for-
ko, nagigil ako, may gigil. Sabi ko,
Yeah.
uwi ako.
Yun yung fire.
Ayun
That's
na.
the fire.
Correct.
Eh?
Tapos andun pa sila. Galingan mo, balik ka doon. Para, pag may naniniwala talaga sa'yo.
You want to thank them? It's your time.
Oh
Go
yeah,
ahead.
thank you sa YY Entertainment. Thank you
Hello.
sa Aptitude. Yun ang aking #1 sponsor dyan, Rap to Gade. Thank you kila John Paduas, tsaka yung kumupupsa dyan, sina Momshi and Popshi, Collins Family, TJ, Clamosa, thank you very much. At saka sa Kit's Kitchen, thank you.
Kung kailangan nyo po ng event, so rumakit eh. No?
Guys,
Na walang comedy, yung straight host lang. No, I mean for you,
ang dami pang sumuporta sa akin doon. So,
we love it that
alam na
you
nila.
didn't take the opportunity for granted. You
Yes.
know, that when people believe in you, you really was like, okay, ito na yun. You
Yes.
have to make it happen. You come back home. When did you come back home?
December 24.
That-
Sakto.
2025.
2025.
Dito lang.
Yes, dito ako umuwi. Sakto pagdating ko, Noche Buena na.
Oo.
Pasko na.
So you came home and then you recorded some songs or
Hindi,
gig
ano
a
na,
show?
recorded na. Okay na yung material.
Rumakit ka
So,
na.
mag-ano na, inayos na namin yung planning sa promo ng mga kanta. So, ito na. Simula na kami
Here.
na
This is it.
spread.
Right here. Okay.
At
Music
eto na.
videos. Anything coming out?
Yes, may music. Yung music video nung latest single namin, yung Anghel, out na yan, nasa YouTube, pwede nyo
Okay.
mapanood. Tsaka thank you kay, sa Dito Music.
So you're with Dito. Hello, Perry
Yes,
McDonald.
si Perry, tsaka si
Perry.
Gino.
Yeah,
Gino.
the hard working Perry McDonald. And your
Ah.
girl's here.
Ayan, syempre, si Annie
Si
and
Twice.
Dayel Medina. Hindi sila twins, the dynamic duo, pero twins yung tingin namin.
yeah. They work so hard.
Grabe yan.
Well, we're excited for your music. We're excited
Thank you.
that you're back.
Same here.
And
Thank
then,
you.
are you going back on tour? Are you gonna go back on
yes,
the road?
may gig sked. Pwede
Go
mo
ahead. Yeah, go for it. Go for it. Tatlong
Ah.
bond paper. Talaga na. Hawakan mo na. Hawakan mo na.
pwede na,
Ayan,
no?
hawakan mo na. Ayan.
Ito, meron kaming Love, Sing, Share sa March 14, 2026 sa Winford Manila Resort and Casino sa Casino Ballroom. Kasama ko si Ice Sigera.
Uy, okay.
Back to back kami dyan. At yung mga mall shows namin and
Mall
mga ganyan.
shows.
Siguro sa social media ko na lang i-update. Jason Fernandez Santa Maria on Facebook. Sa Instagram, Jason Fernandez Official.
Hindi ko mabasa yung
At-
writing eh.
Eto,
So Yukon, you'll be March 20, Yukon.
Yeah, sa Canada na to, babalik ako
Okay. And then March 29th sa
Sa Saskatchewan.
Saskatchewan. Kala ko
Saskatchewan.
Szechuan, like the chili. March 30.
Sa Regina.
Okay, Regina. Okay,
Sa-
that's
that's
Regina,
Oh.
not anything else. Okay, and April,
Sa Toronto.
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 Okay, May 17.
Vancouver.
Okay, tapos May 18, Manila.
Manila.
Okay,
Balik.
so that's
last
the tour.
stop talaga yung Vancouver kasi
Ah.
yan na yung diretso na, Pinas.
Okay.
Tapos,
Is that it?
ayun, okay na, no? Tapos yung songs namin, nasa Spotify na yan.
So what's the lead single? This is the last song you'll
The
sing
last
as the lead
song.
single?
Ito yung Anghel.
You know, Jason, for you, the talent has always pushed you
Yeah.
at a time. So you wanted to quit, but it was the talent and the calling that kept on going for you.
Yes.
What is your message for those who wanted to quit? Who
Oh.
wanted to be like, ayoko na, talo ko, ayoko
Alam
na.
mo, yung sa part
Yeah.
ng quitting, pag nagko-quit tayo, hindi ka, parang feeling, laging, well, obviously, kaya tayo nagko-quit, feeling natin kasi yun na yun.
Mm.
So, pag wala kang nilook forward, doon tayo nagko-quit eh. Base sa karanasan ko, parang wala na kasi akong nilook forward. Iba na yung nilook forward ko eh. Tapos, lahat tayo may special tayo ng mga gift, di ba?
Mm.
So, parang hindi lang tayo aware na nandun yung kaligayahan,
Mm.
nandun yung pera, yung gift. Kasi, let's be real, yun naman talaga eh. Parang gusto natin mabuhay tayo na yung ginagawa natin, masaya tayo.
Mm.
So, saan bagay ka ba masaya? Siyempre, yung gift na meron ka, kaya sobrang galing mo dun.
Kasi that's given
Kasi
to
that's
you.
given
It's a
to you.
God-given gift.
It's God-given gift. So, tapos, masarap. Parang gustong-gusto mo siyang ginagawa. So, siguro na-realize ko din no, na subukan nyo, pag nagkukwit kayo, mag-try kayo ng ibang bagay,
Mhm.
doon yung maintindihan na hindi ko to gusto.
Pagpas yung may opportunity.
Diba? So, parang ganon. Siguro, so wag muna. Tanungin niyo sarili niyo kung valid na ba yung reason niyo para mag-quit. Tapos, yung tao sa paligid niyo, yung mahalagang tao, yung mga nagmamahal sa inyo. Tingnan niyo sila, di ba? Pag masdan niyo, magkukwit ako, damay yun eh.
Oo.
Di ba? So, wag na nating idamay yung mga nagmamahal sa atin.
Thank you for not quitting. Thank you,
Yes.
man.
Thank you, bro.
You know what I mean? Just
Salamat.
keep on
Thank
going,
you for
dude.
having us here. Ito yung
Anytime. Your music is as pure as it is, and we want to capture it. You know what I mean?
thank you.
Kasi
Malaking bagay to sa
People
amin,
out
RX.
there are tuning in. People out there are driving, are listening
Yeah.
to you right now. Like, uy, daanan ni Jason yan. Kaya niya yun.
Yes, oo.
Diba?
Masarap mabuhay.
Hindi lang ako kaya magpatubo ng long hair, pero I will not quit.
Ito nga
But-
kaya lang tumaba
Yeah.
kasi hindi ko na siya inintindi.
Ako rin, hindi ko na iniintindi. Wala, hindi rin ako iniintindi. Message mo sa daughter mo.
Ito.
Daughter.
Yes, yung song na to, sinulat ko to from Fort McMurray, papunta akong Calgary. Siguro mga 9 hours
Na drive.
na drive. Yung anak ko kasi, nagkaroon siya ng depression.
Mm.
She's 12. Tapos ang layo ko.
Mm.
Single dad ako. So wala siyang first time nila ng mga anak ko mapalayo ako ng ganong katagal.
Mm.
So nung nalaman ko na yung anak ko, yun nga, nagkakat siya eh.
Mm.
Sinusugatan niya yung sarili niya. Napakasakit. Tapos bubiyaya ko, nilabas ko yung laptop ko. I started crying, dire-diretso. Hanggang, hindi ko lang namalaya, nasulat ko na to. Na nilagay ko yung posisyon ko sa kanya. Paano kung ako yun? Yung ako siya. Tapos, pero masaya naman ako, okay na siya. Okay na siya
Okay
ngayon.
na.
Okay na siya ngayon.
Got me worried.
Georgine Alice.
Georgine
Cristodolu.
Alice! How you doing?
Yan.
Is she been to the Philippines?
Yes, nandito siya.
Why am I talking like I have an accent? So nandito siya ngayon.
Nandito siya, nandito siya.
Hindi naman sa Canada.
Oh, yung apelyido niya kasi Cristodolu, medyo alien.
That's
Ang
your
dating.
last name?
That's my last name.
Okay.
Kasi yung yan. So, yun.
How is
Para
she
sa
now?
kanya.
Was she
Oh.
able to get the help? Is she?
Okay na siya. Noong time na nandun ako, ano yun eh, parang second month ko ata yun nangyari. So, may medication, chinek siya ng doctor. Tapos, nung bago ko umuwi, okay na siya. Nung nagkita na kami, sumukay na siya. So, sinisiguro ko na laging may oras ako sa kanya. Yung song na to, hindi lang para sa anak ko. May mga tao minsan, kailangan lang silang pakinggan talaga. You don't need to solve the problem. Hindi mo kailangan solusyonan. Makinig lang tayo. Kasi gusto lang nila marinig yung nasa loob nila. So, kasi minsan tayo pag may nagsasabi ng problema, iniisip agad natin solusyon. But okay naman 'yon. Hindi naman 'yan mali. Pero diba, alam mo kanina umiiyak-iyak na nga yan dyan eh. Oo. Oo. Sinisipon siya o nasa aircon lang baka. So, ayun, ito yung kanta na parang mensahe para sa lahat ng may pinagdadaanan lalo sa kanilang buhay. At yung mga tao, pag mayroong alam natin may problema, pinagdadaanan, pakinggan natin sila. Hindi mo kailangang magsalita minsan. You just need to listen to them. Tapos paramdam mo lang na mahal mo sila. Alright!
Let's listen to that song here on the Concert Series. We're live here on the Monster. Jason Fernandez!
The Concert Series. Live on the Monster.